Dutch oven, rich red gravy, beef in beef tallow, 8 ingredient whole recipe which you can make a mouth-watering and fantastic recipe. Look at this.
Mair born hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. We have 3 pound of the stew meat. This is Angus beef. This one pack is $10 and it's 1 pound of the stew meat. Let's make this recipe with just 8 ingredients. So beef stew, beef tallow, tomatoes, chilies, lemon, pink salt, garlic and tomato sauce. First thing, we need to take our meat out from the packet and give it a quick rinse with fresh water. This is the 3 pound of the beef stew meat. Dutch oven, put it on high flame, 450 Fahrenheit. Beef tallow, get it from the market. This one bottle will cost you around $15. We need 1 whole baking cup of beef tallow. Put it in here. So we have the perfect measurement for the 3 pound of the stew meat. This is the first thing goes in your Dutch oven. It's been couple minutes. Our beef tallow is at least 300 to 400 degrees. So here is the magic. Grab all this stew meat, add it in here. One whole fresh lemon goes next in there. So we just need the fresh lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon. For the 3 pound of the stew meat, use handful of garlic or 20 cloves of fresh garlic. Dice them roughly. Rough dice 20 cloves of fresh garlic goes in here. Take pink salt for this recipe, 1 whole tablespoon. Now it's the time, give it a mix. This will be a delicious tender beef in rich red gravy. We have to stir fry the beef now at least for 15 minutes. This is the weekend recipe. Once you make this recipe, everybody gonna love you more. All the foam is gone. We have stir fried our delicious beef. The next process is very easy. You will need fresh tomatoes for it. Add the whole tomato in here. For every pound, we are adding 3 tomatoes. It's a rich gravy, whole tomatoes. So we should have 9 tomatoes in here. And the last one, 9 whole tomatoes. Cover it with the lid. Put it on medium flame. Medium flame means 300 to 350 degrees. Cook it again, at least for 15 minutes. Altogether, it's been 30 minutes since we added our beef. We fried the beef at least for 15 minutes. Then we added tomatoes on top. The tomatoes are cooking in this Dutch oven. Here it is. Take a tongs, remove the skin from tomato. We don't need the skin now. That's what it is. You see this? Remove the skin from all the tomatoes. We are removing skin from the tomatoes. 9 tomatoes, skin is right here. We'll take our spoon, smash the tomatoes. Ready-made organic tomato sauce. This will bring the red color, thickness to the gravy. 1 whole baking cup of red tomato sauce goes in here. We are getting there. Taste test your gravy. The beef tallow, let's cover it. It's on the medium flame and cook it for 30 more minutes. 255, add 30 minutes to it. It's gonna be 325. We will check back this guy at 325. We still have 2 more steps to go. I'm taking coals. We have to smoke gravy. Our coals are getting roasted on our electric stove. Our delicious stew is getting ready. We have just 4 minutes to go. Let's take jalapeno peppers. You have to add it. Kick the whole recipe up. Slit them from the center. roasted coals. They are completely ready. If you can see, this is heat resistant glass. It's been 30 minutes since we added the tomato sauce. If you need delicious gravy, you have to have at least 2 hours of your time. Let's add 1 sliced jalapeno in here, 2 of the slit jalapenos in here. So now the new flavors are kicking in this delicious red beef. Look at this. It's like, I would say 90% done. Let's grab this whole, put it in here. This whole gravy goes on top of these and cover it up. This will smoke our delicious beef tallow red gravy. Put it on simmer. We still have 30 more minutes. 325, 350 is the last time frame. Here, let's take a look, okay? So here you go. This is what you will see. Give it a mix. Oh my god. Look at this gravy. This is the time your recipe is done. Just make sure your beef is tender. Some white delicious rice with that, and we have naan breads with that. Let's put this on the simmer for at least 15 minutes. 2 hours of hard work is done. Chunks. Here you go. And here's the pepper. Amazingly done. It's smoky flavor. And this is what it is. This is the taste test as well.
Mair born hungry is delicious. Mair born hungry is delicious. Is delicious. Mair born hungry is delicious. Mair born hungry.
Full of flavors, 8 ingredients. You can charge this one plate just like this, at least $25 for it.
Mair born hungry is delicious.
I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video, and bye bye for now.
Mair born hungry is delicious.